All right, welcome back, guys. The next oil that is brand new in this starter kit is Citrus Fresh. This is a fun oil. It's really mood boosting, energy boosting. It's also calming and balancing oil. It does quite a bit. It could actually support weight management. Let's see, I'm just looking real quick. Purifies the air. It also does two things that you might not think of. It boosts creativity and it helps manage fear. So diffusing it would help with both of those things. I like to diffuse it for me, it makes me energized. Some people it calms and balances them. I would say try it in the diffuser early in the day and see how you feel. The oils are pretty smart. They're going to then know I need to be calm and balanced and not energized at the moment, but try it and see how it works for you. I always suggest trying it first to see how it goes. So you can diffuse it. You could put a drop in your water or Ningxia or sparkling water like LaCroix. This one happens to be lime. To again boost energy, help support weight, and it just tastes good. It's just a nice healthy alternative to sugary drinks, right? So I'm just looking at my notes, so bear with me a second. I want to make sure I grab everything. All right. So with managing fear, my thought with that one is to mix it with a carrier oil and apply it to your back, your lower back over the liver, which kind of like wraps around to the front. And that helps with irritability and managing fear. So those are two ways to use it. So let me tell you what's in Citrus Fresh. We have orange, tangerine, lemon, grapefruit, mandarin, and spearmint. So these are all oils that are going to help to boost you. All right, you're going to feel better using this oil. A few ways I use it, like I said, I put it in my water or my Ningxia. You could diffuse it, and another great way to do it is put a few drops on wool dryer balls. So ditch the fabric softeners sheets, get rid of those. If you're not sure why, I would say Google dangers of fabric softener or dryer sheets and find out why you don't want those in your household. They're one of the most toxic things. So instead we use wool dryer balls. There are a ton of options in the starter kit that you could use. Citrus Fresh is a great one. I also sometimes use peppermint or lemon and of course lavender. So those are a few things you could do with it. You could also make a room spray. The room spray is super easy to make, and you could use any of the starter kit oils to do this. But in this particular case, I would do 1 drop of Citrus Fresh, depending on the size of the bottle. So it's 1 drop per ounce. If you have a 4-ounce bottle, 4 drops. And then you're basically going to put like a little bit of like really good quality witch hazel, maybe like Dickinson's, or an ounce of vodka, and then you're going to fill the rest with water, shake it up, and spray. And it's going to, freshen the room. It's also great if you mix it with a little bit of baking soda and sprinkle it on the carpet and then vacuum that up. That's another great use for it. So those are just a few things you can do with it. It's a great oil. You can have lots of fun with it, and hopefully that gives you a few uses.